Transferring money from Rcbc online to Gcash is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open your web browser and visit the Rcbc online banking website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the fund transfer or bill payment section of the RBC online banking platform. This option is usually located in the main menu or navigation bar. In the fund transfer or bill payment interface, select Gcash as the recipient or biller. You may need to add Gcash as a biller if you haven't done so already. Now, ensure that you have the correct recipient details, including the Gcash account number or mobile number. After that, enter the amount you wish to transfer to your Gcash account. Double-check the amount to ensure accuracy. Review the transfer details, including the amount, recipient, and any applicable fees. Once you have verified everything, proceed to confirm the transfer. For security purposes, Rcbc may require you to enter a one-time PIN or OTP sent to your registered mobile number or generated by a security token device. Enter the OTP to authenticate the transaction. After entering the OTP, follow any additional prompts to complete the fund transfer transaction. Once the transfer is successful, you should receive a confirmation message or notification. Wait for a few minutes for the funds to be credited to your Gcash account. You can then check your Gcash balance using the Gcash mobile app or by dialing *143# on your mobile phone.